Do you want to know how I achieved this look on my natural hair from this look to this look? So kindly watch this video to the end and learn how to achieve this look on your natural hair. So firstly, I'm going to be using my leave-in conditioner by Mamiya. Then I'm also going to use my spray bottle. This is a spray bottle, you can see. Then I'm going to be using my Eco Styling gel. Then also I would like to add mousse to see another feel. This is air mousse. So let's start. So there's water in my spray bottle, right? So I'm going to also add leave-in conditioner to it. So this is my leave-in conditioner, like I said. Then I'm going to be pouring it inside. And that's okay. I have my water inside already. So I'll just mix it together. So the next thing I will do is section my hair.
Show me that don't need no money, don't need nobody, just need your body. Show me that so sweet like honey.
My hair is wet. So I'm going to apply the mousse. Let me try the mousse. Then my gel.
Just need your body. Show me that so sweet like honey. Don't need no time.
I'm going to be using my detangling brush to detangle. You can see the coils are already coming out. You can see the coils. So the next thing I'm going to just use is my finger to roll it. Let's see how it goes. Just a little bit. Putting each strand down. Just tiny portions. Slip it.
Your loving on me makes me feel special. No heaven on earth if I can't be with you. Swim in your eyes so I can tell the truth. I got so high, oh I can't leave. I got your body all over my mind.
So we're done with this side. So we'll move to the other side, which is this part. So this Eco Styling gel, I like it because that's coconut oil, and coconut oil is good for your natural hair, so it's a perfect match for me. So I'll continue with the same process.
I got so high, I'm off my feet. We up in the clouds with the sun in our eyes. Show me that don't need no money, don't need nobody, just need your body. Show me that so sweet like honey, don't need no talking, just need your body. Telling me you feel fine. Never leave, never leave, never leave, never leave, never leave in your side. Wanna keep you in my life, don't need to move. Whenever you here, I feel like I can't lose. Baby, I wanna.
So now we'll move to the front.
Ride with you, I got so high, oh I can't leave. I got your body all over my mind. I got so high, I'm off my feet. We up in the clouds with the sun in our eyes. Show me love, don't need no money, don't need nobody, just need your body. Yeah, yeah. Show me love so sweet like honey, don't need no talking, just need your body. Yeah, yeah. Is there?
And if you hear this and then go and bend your back, go and bend your knees, baby, shake it to the max. Will the DJ please turn up the bass to the max? Please just rewind, let me shake it to the max. Shake it to the max. Shake it to the
Bad
max.
man, she love.
Shake it to the
Bad man,
max.
she love.
Please just rewind, let me shake
She
it to
love.
the max.
Bad man, she love. Bad man, she love. Yeah. Bad man, she love. Bad man, she love. Bad man, she love. Yeah. Bad man, she love. Bad man, she love. Yeah. Your pussy fat inna your shot.
Oh, you dealing with the boss?
Yeah. Make you come first, coulda never take a last. Yeah. Like a ball, pump up the pussy fast. Skin out the pussy for me fuck it. Girl, you make it cocky brag. Original girl, some of them a the knock off.
And if you hear this and then go and bend your back, go and bend your knees, baby, shake it to the max. Will the DJ please turn up the bass to the max? Please just rewind, let me shake it to the max. 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 Please just rewind, let me shake it to the max.
Caribbean girl, me know for tick, me know for top. Yeah, man, I watch my body like say them, I watch a match. Yeah, anything him say them, girl, I do it like it's tax. But make my own money like the girls in movie trap. Classy, real bad girl, me get nasty. I do whatever I want just because I'm bossy. Yes, I'm the one in charge. Never get my phones and him still fall in love. Yes, I know anybody can touch this. Baby, I am not a hoe. Rice and peas, body hotter than jollof. I feel beg a taste anyway, you see my pass.
And if you hear this and then go and bend your back, go and bend your knees, baby, shake it to the max. Will the DJ please turn up the bass to the max? Please just rewind, let me shake it to the max. 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 Please just rewind, let me shake it to the max.
Don't got to fear, number one in command. I came just to kill me, ain't too militant. They won't figure eights, but I don't need a man. So they love how me whine, they make true religion.
So this is my side pattern, so I'll work with the side first and I'll go back and do the rest.
Show me love, don't need no money, don't need nobody, just need your body. Eh, eh. Show me love so sweet like honey, don't need no talking, just need your body. Eh, eh. Your loving on me makes me feel special. No heaven on earth if I can't be with you. Swim in your eyes so I can tell the truth. Ooh, I got so high, oh I can't leave. I got your body all over my mind. I got so high, I'm off my feet. We up in the clouds with the sun in our eyes. Show me love, don't need no money, don't need nobody, just need your body. Eh, eh. Show me love so sweet like honey, don't need no talking, just need your body. Eh, eh.
So now I'll be going in with my blow dryer to dry the hair. The hair is still wet, so I need to dry it. So let's dry.
Mala fama, se la pasan diciendo que soy mala, porque no me aguanto drama de nada. Dime si vienes a mi cama, a mi cama. La fama
So this is the finished look. So I'm just going to apply my edge control. This is Shine and Jam edge. I'm going to use to do my edge control, because this one doesn't give me this residue on the edges, like whitish residue. That's why I use this one. So let me use it to control the edges.
And if you hear this and then go and bend your back, go and bend your knees, baby, shake it to the max. Will the DJ please turn up the bass to the max? Please just rewind, let me shake it to the max. Shake it to the max. Shake it to the max.
Man, she love.
So this is the finished look of my hairstyle. How I define my coils. Is this something you'll be trying? Let me know in the comment section if you'll be using your natural hair to try this hairstyle.